Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. What y'all think about that? That could be our song that we sing on when we first get into the videos. Okay, but anyway, so today I'm back. I know I have a hat on, looking a hot mess, but today I'm finna try out a new creation that I found at my local beauty supply store. So I tried to find videos on this particular gadget and I didn't find any. So I don't know if no one else's beauty supply store has these or no one just ever tried them. So it is this right here. These are crimpers. So yeah, I'm going to try these out today and just see what we end up with. So I got 3 packs of the yellow ones, and which are the bigger ones, and then I got I got 3 packs of the smaller ones, which are the green ones. So yeah, I don't know how exactly I'm gonna put these in my hair today, so just kind of bear with me. I'll be back once I get my parted sections together and stuff like that, but stay tuned and we're gonna see what it do. And for the styling products that I'm gonna be using today, I'm gonna be using some products that I know work well together. I don't have time for the shenanigans or having a fail, so I'm just gonna use the African Pride leave-in cream from the Moisture Miracle line, and then the leave-in conditioner, the spray, also from the Moisture Miracle line. Okay guys, so I think I figured it out. So I have 18 wavers or crimpers. What are they called? Yeah, they're called crimpers. I have 18 of the yellow crimpers and then I have 18 of the green crimpers. So I just did 18 divided by 3, which is 6, like I have 3 packs. So I am going to try and split my hair into 3 sections. The back section, of course, is going to be a little bigger. So I'm going to probably do the front sections first to see if I can probably fit just not as many, so that I can have enough for the back section. I'm just winging it right now, y'all, so bear with me. So I have these 2 front sections pinned up. My hair is actually drying up a little bit, but I actually don't want to dampen it too much. So I'm going to split the 2 sections in the back in half, and then I'm going to take like a third. Wait a second, I'm tripping. If I was to put this on my hair strand, how many would I actually need? I'm not going to put it at the root, so I'd probably need, let's see, this is just practice, guys. Yeah, so like 2 and then the green one. So technically I only have 9 of each. I don't know if this is gonna work, guys. Okay guys, so I'm like super winging it right now. So I did part off the 3 sections on each side, and I'm gonna do, the goal is to do 2 of the yellow ones with a green one at the bottom. So I'm doing the front because these probably, some of them, especially like these ones, I'm hoping that I probably can get away with maybe not that many, but I'm doing the front first because I don't really know how I'm going to get the back to go, but I have this section left in the back. So I'm hoping I might have to add some more hair to these ones, but definitely these 2 are a go for real. So I'm just gonna start off in the front, pin these 2 away. And before I start adding in my GS by Sedora oil, I am going to spray this section with my African Pride leave-in conditioner. This stuff smells like, I can't think of the name, but what is the name of that fruit that is green? It looks like a cantaloupe, but it's green. Whatever that is, that's what this smells like, and it smells so good. Then I'm grabbing some of the leave-in cream. Put that through this section. And I'm just going to start putting my crimper on right where I have my grip. Open it up. Huh. Okay. So it looks like it's not even trying to close. Huh. These are not closing. Crap. Let's try a smaller section maybe. I mean, because if they don't even close, they close when they're not on my hair, but they don't close when they're on my hair. This is gonna be a fail before we even get started. Y'all, I'm trying to use it like lower down to see if it'll close. Okay, that actually worked. So let's try it again. No, I just wasted my time parting all my hair up, thinking I was finna have some crimps, and this little thing done played me. So we got the one crimper on, and it keeps popping open. Y'all, let's try the smaller ones. Okay, so clearly these were a waste of money. But that's why I'm here trying these things out before you guys go out and spend your hard-earned money. Another one there. Okay, so the smaller ones definitely are working, but I just don't think this is a full head type of thing, honestly. The best way to probably work with these would more than likely be like if you're doing a style where it requires you to have like 2 pieces of hair out in the front, like in your face, kind of like this. Now these would probably work for that, but as far as a full head, I definitely don't even think it's worth the time. So I don't even know if this video will ever even be posted because this is like a super fail. Like these bigger ones don't, like my hair is too thick to even fit in here, and imagine doing a complete head with these and you have to do super small sections. Like that's just not gonna work out. It wouldn't even fit up here. So if you guys see these in the store, don't get them, don't waste your money. I'm sorry this video is so short. I even tried getting it to work off camera, just didn't really work out. So this is a fail. But if you guys want me to try out some other new hair tools, curlers, crimpers, or whatever, let me know. But these are a no-go for me, honestly. I just say don't waste your time. But like I said, I don't know if I'll even upload this video to YouTube just because, like, what the heck. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'm finna do something else with my hair, I guess. But I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Mwah!